All right, everybody. Okay, I thought I would pop on here. I most often do my lives for my YouTube channel, but I thought I would do some over here on my Facebook page. All right, guys, I was just going to do a reveal of some of my resin art pieces using the couple of different techniques, the resin bloom technique and then the marble resin technique. So we'll just wait for a minute to see if anybody's gonna pop on. I'm not sure how to share. See, on YouTube you can share the link, but I'm not seeing that here. All right, I'm just gonna get started. Okay, so I hope, you know what, let's put this in the sun, guys. I hope that you guys were able to see the live of this. What's the lighting like right now, guys? But I created this on a live video. I was just doing gardening, so don't mind my nails. But this is the final piece. And it turned out pretty spectacular. You know what? Let me see. Hold on. Is that better lighting? Like that? It's really hard to tell. So this is obviously a soap dispenser. And so it is a functional piece of art, which is a bonus to me. I have the straw, but it's inside, like the piece. But look at that, so clean. And that is from pouring it into the mold. Here's one of my other marble pieces. You may have seen the shorts videos for these. Whoops. Hold on. I just love how this one turned out. This is one of my favorite ones. I love this color combination. Look at the back. I mean, what's more spectacular, the back? Maybe. Or the front. So with the front, we see a lot more of the green that came through. And then the back, we see a lot more of the blue. So, very cool piece. Put that one aside. All right, then another one using my marble technique was this one. So this one and this one, I use my 3G curing machine. Okay. So this means like I made the piece in under 2 hours. And this is, check this out. It is a ring holder. Another functional piece of art. I love functional art. This one here, I still have to add the gold edge. And then I wanted to show you guys the resin bloom. So this is, I have the full tutorials on my YouTube channel for this one. The resin bloom technique, it's so pretty. So it looks like a flower, but made out of resin. And then we have something similar, resin bloom, but not quite flower looking, more looking like fire. So welcome everybody. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them below. My live is not going to be too long, but if you're just hopping in, this was the first product that I showed. This is the soap dispenser that I made the other day. And if you wanted to see how to make all these, they are on my YouTube channel. And look at, they're so spectacular. But yeah, I'm really excited to use this one. Let me know, do you have any specific questions? If not, I'm probably gonna pop off for now and stay tuned later for another live demo. It's either going to be on my YouTube channel or my Facebook page, but the weather here, guys, I'll just point out here, it is so hot. Everything is hot, hot, hot. Everything has to be watered. Let me take you for a walk around my garden. I'm trying to grow grass. I just planted this hydrangea. So, question for any flower experts. So this is the tag here. So this is the type, it's from Rona. This is the type of hydrangea. But is it interesting that it's turning pink? It's supposed to be a white variety. So not sure what's happening there. But yeah. And then we've got lots of vegetables growing back here. We've got some tomatoes in there. All right, and some kale. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for stopping in, and we'll talk soon. Bye.